Hey everyone, Roy here. So for today, we will be talking about where can we find clients this 2026 and why do we need to show up. One of the things that I'm really passionate about is helping people to find their own freelancing gig. As you all know, everyone has been jumping from the corporate to the freelancing world for the past few years. So today, it is my job to help you out. Where do we find clients this 2026 and do your part to really show up? By the way, my name is Roy and I have been a freelancer since 2020 and my niche is social media marketing and social media management. Right now, I'll be sharing with you all some tips on how you can motivate yourself to keep going and to keep showing up despite of the challenges that you can encounter. So number one, progress is still progress regardless of how small and big it is. Sometimes we have those thoughts that okay, I'm at this point of my life where I'm not achieving anything in my freelancing career. I have lost a client, I have lost income that I used to earn. But you know what? If you do something right now, even if it's just 1% or you're trying your best each day, putting an effort, you're in the best spot. You are totally doing your best for you to improve. And remember, progress is progress at the end of the day. And you need to celebrate every progress that you can make each day. The next one that I want to motivate you with is consistency is always important. Regardless of going big, regardless of you showing up, consistency is always important in freelancing. Most of the time, we have the tendency to give up if we don't see any results with our day-to-day efforts. My encouragement for you is you need to show up each day, regardless of how much percentage you put in your efforts. That is still showing up. Show up, show your work, share your wins, share your progress to people, share your process on how you do your work as a freelancer. You can do that by creating a social media post and share it on LinkedIn or share it to Facebook. If you position yourself as an expert in a certain topic that you want to talk about, people will notice you and clients will notice you as well. That's one thing that I want to encourage you with. Lastly, our goal is not to go viral. Our goal is to improve each day. So right now, I'll teach you where you can find clients this 2026. These are the common platforms where I look for my clients. First and foremost, Facebook groups are really underrated. Most of the freelancers, they don't want to stay in different Facebook groups because everything feels so cluttered when you join a lot of Facebook groups. But you know what? When you join different Facebook groups, it will position you to different HR VAs or talent sourcers who do the hiring job for their clients. So there are certain Facebook groups that you can join, like Online Filipino Freelancers. You can also join Filipino Online Workers PH, and you can try searching these keywords such as Filipino freelancers, virtual assistants in the Philippines, VAs in the Philippines, social media managers, PH. The key there is you put the VA position or the freelancing niche plus the word Philippines or PH. That is going to put you in a position where you can find a lot of different job postings in those Facebook groups. The next platform that can really help you this 2026, you look for small business owners on LinkedIn and try sending connections with them, and you also keep posting how do you help clients, what are your process, what are your wins, and from time to time try cold outreaching on LinkedIn by being just natural. I saw that your business is into home inspection or real estate. I was just wondering if I can help you out with my social media marketing services or lead generation services. It feels so uncertain to do that, but that's what cold outreach is for. You need to be strategic on how you craft your message, on how you reach out to the person, that it will feel so natural and it will not feel so salesy. You need to try how to nurture online relationships. The next one is virtualstaff.ph. people say that they have found their clients in that platform, but I never found clients there for the past years. But I cannot discount the fact that other people have found their clients there. The other one is freeapp.net. It helped me to have cash flow for the past years because of this platform where I was able to find good clients. So here's one thing that you need to take note of freeapp.net. They always filter the freelancers that will try to enter their platform. So as for you, position yourself as a good freelancer, prepare for the interview, and make sure you revamp your resume and portfolio if needed. Here's another platform that most Filipinos use these days. It is onlinejobs.ph. I could say I am so thankful for that platform where I found my first client ever. It was a home inspection company. And here's an exciting fact about it. From what I have found, the jobs on onlinejobs.ph, as other people say, as other Filipinos have said, it has lessened throughout the years, but I still believe that you can find your clients there. What you need to do is to optimize your profile. Do not change your profile always, because there's a tendency that your ID proof can go from 100 to 80, 70, or even below. This is just a helpful tip for you. Once you go all in optimizing your profile, make sure that's the best profile that you can make. Lastly, recently I have been trying this platform, Upwork, and most of people would say it's really expensive to be on Upwork, but you can take advantage of their Freelancer Pro or Premium Freelancer, where you can just pay like around $19 monthly. They will give you 100 connects each month. You need to be strategic on how you approach your job applications there. You don't have to spend all of your connects for a certain job. You just have to be wise. Most of the time, the basic connects that you're gonna spend there is around 15 to 17 points, and Upwork will ask you to bid another set of points so that you can be ahead of the competition, where you can place the number 1 or number 2 or number 3 who have applied for a certain job. Make sure that general profile of yours is totally optimized. You put the services that you offer, the tools that you use, and at the same time you upload certifications that could help you land jobs, and you can also put your results there or even your portfolio. One thing that really helped me there is to make sure your cover letter is just around 2 to 4 sentences, and you need to have a hook like, hire me, let's work together. Working with me can come as a surprise, and then eagerness to help them. Other platforms where you can look for clients, other people say Reddit is also a good platform, but you just have to be careful. I think you can also find clients on Indeed, JobStreet. As a freelancer, it's really hard to look for jobs these days because there are a lot of competition right now. Clients are also taking Latin America as part of their consideration into looking for team members. So the competition is getting bigger and the stakes are getting higher. But as for you, if you truly know that you are confident in the services that you can offer to your clients or to your potential clients, you can definitely make it. I hope you have learned something from this video. I will surely give you more tips and I'll surely help you out in your journey. Once again, this is Roy, and see you in my next YouTube video.